Hi everyone. Today we will be talking about how contraceptive pills work, their benefits, how to take them properly, and the important precautions para safe and effective ang paggamit. So what are contraceptive pills? Contraceptive pills contains two hormones which are estrogen and progestin or sometimes progestin only. So these hormones control your menstrual cycle to prevent pregnancy. So the three main points for the mechanism of action is first they stop the ovulation kay normally your luteinizing hormone surge triggers ovulation. So the pill blocks this luteinizing hormone surge through negative feedback. So walay egg nga mogawas. Second is they thicken the cervical mucus. Progestin makes the cervical mucus thick and sticky, making it very hard for the sperm to pass. Third is they thin the uterus lining. The endometrium becomes thinner, so the implantation is unlikely. And for the summary line, for the mechanism of action, kay walay egg, maglisod makasulod ang sperm, dili ready ang uterus. And for their uses naman, they are used for contraception or birth control. They regulate periods, decreases dysmenorrhea, they treat acne and PCOS symptoms, and also they reduces the risk of ovarian and endometrial cancer. So, how to take them properly? Take one pill every day at the same time. And for the combined pills naman, there are 21 active plus 7 placebo or the newer and better control which is 24 and 4 pack. Then if you miss a pill naman, example, one pill lang, take as soon as possible and then continue as usual na. Pero if you miss two or more, you take one as soon as possible and then use backup condoms for 7 days. And then tips for best and effectiveness, use alarm or a pill reminder app, and then avoid smoking, especially if you are 35 and above, and know also the interacting drugs like rifampin, anticonvulsant, and St. John's wort. And then also take note that pills do not protect against STI and you must use condoms. And if you vomit within 3 hours, repeat the dose. And then for the side effect naman, in common but mild lang, we have the nausea, the breast tenderness, headache, spotting. It usually improves after 2 to 3 cycles. And for the danger signs naman, we have the mnemonics aches. If you have this, you should stop and seek for medical help na. We have the severe abdominal pain, chest pain or shortness of breath, severe headache, eye problem or blurry vision, severe leg pain, kay possible na ay blood clot na ano. And who should not take the combined pills? So those are the smokers above 35 years old, person with a history of blood clots, migraines, breast cancer, severe liver disease, and then uncontrolled hypertension. And then progestin only pills are safer for many of these cases. And lastly, contraceptive pills are very effective, over 99% within perfect use lang. Just reminder to take them consistently, know the precautions, and consult your doctor if unsure.